Canas SWorkz wins the rained out French Elite Nuts Round 1. In second place Savoia Kyosho. In third place Beir X-Ray. Seismic team was there with Tavernon Le Maire, Leonard the manager and more. Juan Carlos Canas wins with SWorkz at Spanish Nuts. In second place Pariente SWorkz. In third place Figueiredo Kyosho. Brushless event in the UK, Skidmore wins with X-Ray. In Draghi category, Nitro, Hazelwood wins with Agama. Swinger double with Kyosho at RC Festival Austria. Tescione doubles in Italy with X-Ray at a regional event. Drake success in the USA with Mugen. Visit Japan, Kanai goes first at an event with his trusted Kyosho Reds machine. Racing in Japan, lots of Kyosho machines of course. Boots wins in Italy with SWorkz. Also in Italy, Ravaglia Kyosho success and Gabrieli Mugen double success. Kotzl X-Ray triple at Hudi Arena Dirt event. X-Ray team at USA Carpet Nuts. Nova engines tested by Vega in Spain with seismic tires on the associated machine. Serpent has a nice picture of the Leno track in Italy. Efra GP at this track. Max engines. Testing and racing of course. South Africa Seismic Enduro Cup RCX Raceway. Yelassi Tuned presents their latest GT 1/8 scale Nitro engine. A fully blown Yelassi Tuned custom engine. GP5 R23.